Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobbelt, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera. I'm here live at the Hampton Court Flower Show, a Swiss in UK, and at the pen art booth and stand and garden, Edible Eden it is named. We have some plant therein, and especially this feature here where we have our brand new Blackcurrant Black'n'Red Premiere, it's the name, combined with a super compact sunflower, Sun Rain by Burpee. So it's fantastic, and it's just what we want to do with its blackcurrant. So the plant, which is normally not looked at in the garden, which is used only for the fruit, has now two seasons, from spring to summer, June, July, when you pick the fruit, and then the second season with the pink-red flowers is starting right now. So out of a thing you wouldn't think with your eyes in the garden becomes a really ornamental plant, and it's a stunning concept here. You have the compact sunflowers by Burpee, Sun Rain combined with Black'n'Red Premiere, and that's what we want to do with it, to make out of a humble fruit plant a plant which is also ornamental when combined with perennials and also annuals with yellow and white flowers. Go on gardening and try out Black'n'Red Premiere. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.